Hi all, welcome to the LMF community. I'm just sitting up. I'll be ready in another 2 minutes. Okay, thank you for joining early. Okay, I see. Surprising, 10 people are already here. Usually people join 5 minutes late. Okay, 1 minute. I'll just please set it up. I'll make my co-host ready. It's my co-host. Yeah. My co-host. My second question not important. No. That's all right. Okay, I'll switch on my camera. Hi all, welcome to LMF community. Can you hear me nice and good? Please type S in the chat box. Can you please introduce yourself in the chat box? Can you please introduce yourself? Please type your name, your city, and the industry you serve. The reason why I start this 10 minutes early is because first day people will have some hiccups in connection, so they will learn, okay? So that we have some time. So every single day, we'll start 10 minutes early, 7:20 p.m. And the first 10 minutes we'll use for questions, Q&A questions. First day, there is no Q&A. Anyway, you are very new. Welcome Subramanyeswara Rao, psychologist, to LMF community. Welcome Maulik from Rajkot. Welcome Ankur from Ludhiana. Welcome Nemalan from Chengalpatnam, correct? Chengalpatnam, Tamil Nadu. Yeah. Arts and design. Can you please switch on your camera so that I can see you? First day, the introduction. The first day and final day, we should have this type of camera on for introduction. Yeah, hi. Welcome all. Welcome Vijay Bhaskar, the sales director from Hyderabad, to LMF community. We'll start exactly at 7:32. I used to say this every single time, but people call me strict. So today I'm going to wait another 5 minutes. We are going to start at 7:35 because first day people will have some hiccups in joining. The first day people, there are 50 participants so far. It was really high. Okay, my last session had 55. But this was festival season, right? People will not join, but again in the festival season 50 people join. Sir, I'm using desktop, no camera. That's fine. I just want to see you all. Just for this introduction, then you can switch it off the camera. I want people's camera to be on only on the first day and final day. So that this, the advantage of this conducting this live is, no. Yeah, can you please mute all? I mean, be on mute. I'll mute all, okay? It will disturb all. We'll have a Q&A session at the end. Yes, now I can see many people. That's all. There are 15 people. Aman Anjana left. Hi, welcome Narendra Patel to LMF community. Please type your name, your city, and the industry you serve.
Hello.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Please be on. Okay. For first 10 minutes, I'm going to take questions. If I take questions in the first 10 minutes, then it delays the session. So that's why I'll take the questions at the final. We'll have time. I'm going to explain everything to you right now, how the agenda is for the next 5 days. It should show
Can we
me
get
here.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can we get the video of this recording?
Yes, yes. Yeah,
Okay,
you will
sir.
get the recording.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'll send one core success link, right? No, I'm not starting now. Okay, people have to join. Okay, at least I'm expecting attendance of minimum 40 people. Okay, people join at the last time. If I say now, they'll miss it. So once we start, I'll tell you everything. Actually, in my iPad, it will show the number of the videos of all people. It is not showing me today. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, I can see many people. I can see now Kishore, Srikanth, Aminesh, King Farmland, Nimalan, and there is no name. 850355837161. Narendra Patel. Welcome, Roshini Sriram, MBDS Rao. Yeah.
Hello.
Yes. I will start at 7:35. First day we'll wait for 5 minutes more. I will start exactly at 7:32. But first day we'll start at 7:35, and next day it will be exactly 7:32. But always you can join 10 minutes early, so people know that if they are late, they are 12 minutes late and not 2 minutes late. Got it. Yeah. Just put in your questions. Let's not waste the time. If you have any questions about the workshop, I'll answer. We have 16 participants, right now 21. Is this the first workshop you're attending, or you have attended many workshops in the past? First, Archana. No, I cannot take that answer, madam. Okay. Archana Koyali is from Pune. She's already a coach, established coach. I know her personally. Welcome, Archana from. I was asking, not this first time. LMF, I know that you are attending for the first time. You have attended any other workshop in the past? That's the question. Welcome, Pankaj. Welcome, Meetu Nagar. So this is the advantage, okay? You can ask me questions, I can see you live. So this is the advantage of conducting this live. So let's make use of it. Very good, yeah. You are going to learn so much in the next 5 days. Yes, definitely I'll explain. Okay, that's why we are here, right? You'll get the answers before. We are just waiting for people to join. There are 22 participants. Actually, 50 people registered. Okay. We have to give some time for others to join. It is 7:28. We'll start exactly at we'll wait for 3 minutes more. 7:35 we'll start. If you have not introduced yourself, please introduce yourself to the community, your name, your city, and the industry you serve. I have doctors in the past, many doctors, CA professionals, one pilot, lot of different from different age group. My average student age is above 40. Where are you from? Okay, I'm right now in Bangalore, but my native place is a small place near Pondicherry in Tamil Nadu. If you have any questions about the workshop, whether the recordings, okay, everyone I sent you one WhatsApp message, right? Hi all, my name is Jagan Kishore. Welcome Jagan Kishore from Chittoor, IT field. Yeah, you are an employee. That's great. In the meantime, I sent you a WhatsApp message. There is something called core success link. Okay, I'll show you. Open your core success link. So this is the WhatsApp message I sent to you. Okay, there is second link which reads as core success link. If you open that core success link, you can see this page. Okay, please open this. This page is needed for you to complete the workshop. Okay, please open this. Okay, even in the mobile it will open. This is the core success link page. This is how it is. There you will find day 1. Got it? I will repeat the same thing again, okay, after 7:35. And just that is your unique core success link. That is where all recordings are uploaded. That is where you will get the material. Welcome Solai Raj from Tamil Nadu.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir. Please be on mute. I'll take questions at the end of the session. We are waiting for people to join. We have welcome Richa, Tariq, Vishal Kumar, Srikant, welcome FC, welcome Pani, welcome Pankaj, welcome Om, welcome Nimalan, welcome. There are many people who have not typed their name in the chat box. Okay, please introduce yourself. See, the learning happens much in the community, in the WhatsApp group, not live. Okay, when others do the exercise, when others get that output, you will also work to get that output. Okay, introduce yourself. So it is 7:32. We'll wait for 3 more minutes. We have 26 participants. I am expecting 40. First day, 40 people will get joined, right? At least 90% attendance will be there for the first day at least. After I start, you can switch off your cameras. Maybe it will be disturbing others. We'll switch on the camera at the end of the session. Okay.
Hi, sir.
Hi, welcome. Welcome, Karthik from Vellore.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We'll wait for 3 more minutes.
Yeah. Sir, can I log in with my laptop, sir?
Yes.
For 2 logins, okay? Yeah, yes. Thank you.
Welcome, Muttu. I don't know where you are from. Please type your name, city, and the industry you serve in the chat box. Welcome, Richa from Pune. Health coach. At any point of time, if see, the technology can always fail. Okay. See, I have best equipment, best internet connection, but again that can fail. Okay. Even if the technology fails, I will not fail you. Okay. I will connect again. So be patient. Be patient if something disconnects. Okay. Anyway, you're going to get the recording. But definitely I will not fail you. That is what, even if technology fails, I will not fail you. That is my message. Welcome, Saumitra from Kolkata. We have 29 participants. What is the time? We'll wait 1 more minute. From tomorrow onwards, the session starts exactly at 7:32. You can always join 10 minutes early. For 7:20, you can join and ask your questions for the day. And also you can ask your questions in the WhatsApp group. Okay. Any difficulties that you face, you can. Welcome, Kali Muthu from Chennai, the real estate industry. Could not find the core success link. Okay, for this type of people who don't have the core success link, now is not the time to go and generate the core success link. Okay, I am going to share my core success link, and you can use that. Okay. Why it is not there is you have not confirmed your mobile number using OTP. That's why it is not there. In the first link is the onboarding link. If you go to the onboarding link and click on confirm mobile number, once your mobile number is confirmed, you will see the 4 success link there. Okay, instantly you will see it. Okay, now I am going to share my 4 success link in the chat box. Everyone can use this. Okay, so I'll start right now. We have 33 participants. So can we start? Type yes. You can switch off the cameras if you want. I don't know how to. Yeah, got it. Welcome, Dharmender. Yeah, welcome. Yeah, I'm going to start right now. Okay. I know it is late today. Okay. So I'm going to tell you the basics first, how you can join daily. Okay. I sent you a WhatsApp message privately. There is a meeting link. Okay. That you can join. Okay. If you open the core success link, you will see this page. You will see this page. In this page, you see this Zoom meeting link, first button. You can click this button to join. Else, go to that group. Okay, the WhatsApp group. In the group description, there is a core success. There is a meeting link. These are the 3 ways that you can join the meeting daily. Okay, clear? Type C. I will not send the link daily to you. If you open the core success link here there is a button. If you click this button, you can join. Else, there is in the group description. Type clear. In the group description, go to the group description, LMF 6, October 10 to 14. Here there is a meeting link. Okay, meeting link, meeting ID, meeting passcode. Clear? Yeah. Now, so why not YouTube? So this is the information overload. Okay, this is the time we are living in 2022. This is the time of information overload. There is enough tutorials already available on YouTube. Why not YouTube? Why did you pay 1,000 rupees for a course like this? You don't have to answer. Do you know the advantage of this session? This is live. Let's make it interactive. Okay, you can question me. Okay, you can type your questions here in the chat box, and I'm here to answer. So we are going to make this session interactive. Throughout the session, I am going to ask many questions. Okay, you are going to answer the questions in the chat box, and you can also put in the questions there. So this is the advantage of this step, conducting this live. Okay, so we are going to make use of it to the fullest. Okay. So quick introduction of Jagan Krish. You want to know who I am? I'm not going to, I usually take 30 to 60 seconds for this. I'm not going to do this today. It doesn't matter. Okay. Who I am, it doesn't matter. What matters is what Jagan Krish is going to do for you in the 5 days. If you still want to know who I am, type yes. I'll waste your 30 seconds of your life. Okay. Type yes. But what Jagan Krish can do for you in the next 5 days, I'm going to tell you. I'll give you a quick example. Last Saturday, okay, today is 10. Okay, last Saturday 5:10, I got a call from one of my clients. Okay, he is in Mumbai. His name is Sandeep. There is an excitement in the other side. Okay, he said, for the first time in his life, time in my life, I got 100 participants for my registration, for my webinar. Okay, what is there big in this comment? You know, you might ask. You know what is his age? His age is 55. At the age of 55, that is the first time he gets 100 participants for his webinar. He started using this LMF system only 2 months back. Okay, this is the type of transformation that you can achieve using this LMF system. So this is what you are going to achieve using the LMF system. See, his age is 55. Okay. Do you know how many agencies you might have tried? Money is not the problem there. How many agencies you might have tried? How many systems you might have tried? How many websites you might have tried? Nothing can bring the result for him. I'm not saying my system is best. No, it is just happened 2 days back. I'm just saying he was sitting in the same place right now. I mean, he was sitting in the same place like you 2 months back. He got this result in just 2 months. So this is what LMF system can do for you. So this is the promise. Are you excited? Type E. If you want the same result, type E. If you want to experience the same result. So you still want to know who I am? You want to waste this 30 seconds? Okay, there is in my website, in the personal section, there is a video. Please go and watch. You know who I am. Okay, so this is what LMF system is capable of doing for your business. How to get 10x return on the investment? So you paid 1,000 rupees for everyone. Okay, everyone here paid 1,000 rupees. There are 36 participants here. Okay, how to get 10x return on the investment? Only if you can get the 10x return, only if you attend all days live. Okay, set your priorities right. Okay, see, you may be driving. This is not a course when you take this is not a course you take when you drive in a living room and kids are playing. You get 10x return only when you attend it live, when in a separate room. Because that is the type of information that I'm going to provide you. You are going to ask me questions. So that is why you paid. Okay. So set your priorities right. Weeks come and go. Okay. Some weeks can change your life forever. That can be this week. Okay. For one of my clients, he was sitting in the same place and it changed his life forever. Who knows? This week can change your life forever. So you have to be here this week. So that's what I say. So LMF course is designed for business people. Okay. So it is for non-tech. Okay. Even if you are, I know business people are non-technical. Whatever we are going to speak here in the next 30 minutes is going to be tech. Okay. But I designed this course for business people for non-tech. Even if you have zero technical knowledge, you can get the results from this workshop. Okay. And anyone from age 20 to 60 plus can get the results. Okay. I have a doctor age 50 plus and the person 55, he got the result. Okay. Age is just a number. Okay. If you come daily live, you can get the result. That is my promise. So it is designed for business people. You should be able to take decisions for your business. Now, why 5 days? No, I will send the recording. So you don't have to record. Is it recording? Yeah. I thought I didn't start recording. I will send the recording for you. You don't have to record. Okay. Why 5 days? Why I designed this for 5 days is even a non-technical person can get the result, 100% results from this workshop if you follow this 5 days. What is the agenda? What is the agenda? Monday to Friday, I'll tell you. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we are going to just spend 30 minutes. And the remaining 30 minutes, we'll use it for Q&A. Okay, direct one-to-one questions. And Thursday and Friday will not have enough time for Q&A. So it will take 1 hour. So this is the agenda from Monday to Friday. And you are a business, for example, if you are a business person type type Y, if you are a business person type Y, you are the person who makes decision for your business. Type Y. All Y. Okay. Why the hell you should spend time on texting? This is the first question that I get. Okay. Why should I spend time on learning the texting? Okay. If you are a person like that, for the second, third, and fourth day, you can bring one of your tech team in, one of your tech person in. Even we all have someone whom we call to get advice on technical things. Correct? If you want to buy a phone, whom you will call? If you want to buy a laptop, whom you call? Bring that one person. I don't mind. See, this workshop is designed for non-tech. Okay. Even a person age 55 got results. But I'm just saying, if you are not a tech person, okay, if you don't, even the tech things, it doesn't get into your mind, please bring someone in whom you will help. I mean, he will help you, correct? So bring him in, and second, third, and fourth day, you can bring him in. Okay, I don't mind. Okay, this is just for the business people who don't do that tech stuff. Okay, Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday, it is going to be technical, highly tech, and I guarantee that you can do it. But if you are a person who cannot do this tech thing, bring your tech team in. Okay. Okay, don't believe me and don't trust me. Just because I am sitting here and saying something to you, please don't believe and don't trust me. What do you know why I'm telling you this? Trust the facts. Okay, this is where you have to make use of this YouTube. Go today night. Go there and search whatever I'm saying, whatever the rubbish I'm speaking. Go there and search whether it is right or not. If it is right, use it for your business. Else don't. Okay. So always trust the facts. This is where you should use this YouTube, all this Google, everything. Okay. Now, here there are 38 participants. There are different people, different industries. You are different places on your path. Correct? And LMF workshop is going to help all. No matter who you are, from where you are, from which place you are, and where you are in the path. It doesn't matter. Okay? It is going to help you. And it is a beginner-friendly workshop. So I am going to ask quick questions. Please type Y or N. Okay. So you are a tech person. Are you interested in doing tech things? Type Y. You already have a website. Please answer this question first. You already have a website. Type Y. How many Ys? You already have a website. So everyone already have a website. 2 N. So you see the number of audience. Okay. There are many N's. For the people who type N, you are going to learn how to launch the right way. Okay. You are going to build the foundation right. For the people who typed Y, this is the question for you. You are already making sales on your website. If yes, type Y. If you are not making sales, type N. Mix YN, YN, N. So most of the people are not making sales, correct? N, 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 N. Okay. So you see the audience. Many people don't have a website. Many people have a website. They are already making sales. No matter who you are and where you are on the path, you are going to get results with the LMF system. That is the promise. So what you are going to get in the 5 days? You are going to get the one-page website. You are going to get this website is 160 languages ready. You are going to get your Android app. You are going to get your iOS app with your brand icon. You are going to get the lead management system. You are going to set up the LMF system on your phone. And with these tools, what you are going to achieve? You are going to, for the people who typed N, what you are going to achieve is you are going to learn to make the first sale. Okay. For the people who typed Y, who already have a website and they are making sales, you are going to learn how to triple the sales with the LMF system. So this is the outcome of this LMF workshop. Okay. But you have to appear all days Y, all days live. Okay. Do you commit? Type C. Will you come all days live? 39 participants. Type C. Are you ready? Can we start? Right now I'm going to start. Are you ready? Yes. Type Y. What is the goal for today? You are going to create a domain name. For the people who typed Y, please be with me. I know you already have a domain name. You already have a website. But this is very, very important. You are going to learn something new. Okay. Today we are going to do create a domain name. We are going to create a domain name for your business the right way. We are going to create a cloud hosting. Okay, in 60 minutes. help me serve you better. Please do not unmute in middle. Okay. Please do not ask if you have any questions. Please save it for the end. Especially when I'm doing it live, please save it for the end. Okay. Please don't put your questions in the middle. Okay. You can put your questions only if you are not hearing me. Okay. So no questions in between. It's okay if you are stuck. Q&A session, we will have enough time. We have time till 8:30. Okay. I'll take all of your questions at the end. Okay. Help me serve you better. Promise, I already said this. You're going to learn to make the first sale for the beginners. You are going to triple the sales for the established businesses. Okay. Now, so the main reason you have joined us here, you think you are going to build a website, right? The landing page, the text stuff. No. What if I tell you we are not going to build a website? You know what we are going to do? We are going to build a solid online foundation for your business. Okay. What is the solid online foundation? Whatever we are going to create, right? I am going to take one website, okay? One website and prove it to you on the final day. What one website that is created during the workshop, not mine, and prove it to you on the final day how this system performs better than all other systems. And I have case studies. If you can go to my website, you can see the case studies how this is performing better. What is online foundation? Strong online foundation. It means that website that you are going to build in 5 days, it is going to work from all screens you are seeing right now. Whatever the screen you see, from the smallest screen to the biggest screen, every device that is capable of connecting to an internet can open your website. Okay, so it will open insanely fast. Whatever I'm saying is not just a story. I'm going to prove that to you on the final day. Okay, it will be insanely fast, and it will work guaranteed for 5 years without changing anything. Nothing will. I know nothing will change for the next 5 years. It will bring results for no. How many people have a website that is you think you? So that will bring results for you for 5 years, but all we are going to spend is only 5 days. Okay. So do you commit for those 5 days? The system that we are going to create will bring results for your business for 5 years. I guarantee that. Okay. Because I started 10 years back and still something is I created 5 years back is giving results means for now. So do you commit for 5 days? Type commit, COMMIT, type commit. I want to see many committed. Okay, if you are not, if you don't come live, yeah, now I'm satisfied. There are so many commits. So now I'll tell you what is LMF, lead magnet formula. That is something that I created. Okay. You know what is the goal of a website? What is the goal of having a website? Small short answer. What do you think? I have jagankrish.com, right? Is to make sales, is to make get clients. About us, you are wrong. Leads. Correct? Yes. The goal of this website, there is only one goal of this website, is to get leads. It is your responsibility to make the sale. Do you agree? Type A. The goal of this website is to get a lead. A lead is something, a person who is interested in your service. A person or a client who is interested in your service, his contact number is a lead. Okay, that is what we call as lead. Once you get the lead, the purpose of this website is successful. The purpose of this website is complete. Do you agree? So the website that we are going to create is going to attract the leads. The leads is the first step to make a sale. Okay, and that's why I named it as lead magnet formula. And if you have an existing system, you replace that system with this, you will instantly see 3 times increase in the number of leads that you're getting. So why I made this as lead magnet formula is the goal of this website is to get the lead, and this will attract the lead. Okay, I'm going to tell you how to create perfect content so that you can attract the leads for your business too. Okay, so this lead magnet formula, forget the lead. This LMF formula applies even before you start to think of a domain name. That applies from there. It has to be, the domain name has to be in a certain way. I'm going to tell you how to choose a proper domain name for your business using this lead magnet formula. From there, even before you start to think of it, this starts. Okay, I'm going to explain you how. I told you this. What is the goal of having a website is to get a lead. So many people already have a website that is an asset, or so you already told many people have an asset and some people have a liability. So if you everyone who typed A, I have some questions for you at the final day. So we are going to create for everyone who typed L. So can you please type? I forgot the question. Okay, if you have an asset for your business, type A. If your website is an asset for you, please type A. If your website is liability for you, type L. I thought I already asked that question. How many is? 1, 2. Narendra, Karthik, Rajesh, Rohini, Pankaj, Nimalan, Tariq, Gangala. Okay, I have questions for this all. Okay, so this session is really great. Many people have an asset. Anyone has a liability? Liability is something that you spend money every single year and you don't get anything back. How many L? Ijaz Muhammad, Ankur Gupta, Richa, Soumitra L. Okay. So this session L for now. So as I go through the stats, everyone who typed L, who have not answered, it is L. Okay, I know that. Okay. So for everyone who typed L, A, you are going to triple the result. And for everyone else who typed L, we are going to convert that liability to an asset. So that is what I was saying. Okay. So now I'm going to help you to choose a great domain name using this lead magnet formula. Okay, what is a domain name? A domain name is something jagankrish.com, correct? That is a domain name. So how to choose this the right way? These are the important rules that you need to follow when choosing a domain name. Okay, no common name. For example, I have jagankrish.com. For example, my name is sachintendulkar.com. Sachin Tendulkar, it will not work. It's Sachin. Okay, Sachin.com. Suppose if your name is a famous person's name, Rajinikanth. Rajinikanth.com, if you put it, it will not work. No famous name. If I say no famous name, no famous city name, no famous country name, no famous currency name. Okay, bitcoin.com, it will not work. Okay, no criminal past record. How do you know that it has criminal past record? For example, you choose a domain name. Okay, I created a domain name only one or 2 years back. What if someone from China registered this jagankrish.com 5 years back and did some illegal activity in it? How do you know? If you choose that domain name, it will not work. No matter how much money you spend on marketing, it will not work. Okay, so it should not have no criminal. It should have no criminal past record. Okay, so I am going to tell you how to do this. Okay, there are materials in the LMF core success page. I am going to do this live. Okay, top level TLD is preferred. What is .com? What is top level TLD? Top level TLD is something .com. JaganKrish.com is there, right? The .com is top level. Okay, you cannot choose. There are .live. There are the .com, .in. That should choose a country name. Nowadays there are many domain names. .live, .life. That are second level. You should choose a top level TLD. It should be short. Okay. My full name is Jagan Krishna Raj. I did short because it should be 8 to 12 characters. Only then it sits in the people's mind. Okay, it should be short and it should be easily rememberable. Okay, find something that is easily rememberable and register for 5 years. Okay, why I say this as 5 years is it is a good search engine signal. If you register for more than 5 years, Google knows that you are serious about doing business. Okay, then they'll credit your website. Okay, so if you are serious about doing business, go for the people who typed A, everyone go today and pay for 10 years. Anyway, you are very sure that you will not going to change your name. So register for 10 years. That is a great search engine signal. And anyway, the price is going to increase in the future. So you will save money if you do it. So these are all the rules that you should follow when you register a domain name. Okay. So no .com is saturated. Okay. If you go and search your name, it will not be available. Any famous names, it will not be available because .com is already saturated. If you don't have .com, you can register .in. If you are going to do business only in India, register .in. If you don't have .com and .in, register .io. IO is something called Indian Ocean Territory, but this is a top level domain. It began to appear in the first page of Google search results. So in a technical term, we'll call this as input output. It became very famous. When I started registering IO, it was only 100 or 200 rupees. Now it became 5,000 rupees. If you want to register for 10 years, it will become 50,000. Again, that is really worth. So if you have .com and if you don't have .com or .in, choose .io. Okay. So it will just gain traction very soon in the Google. So this is the information that I gave you. Why GoDaddy? Many of you already have a domain name. Which register do you use? Can you please type? Which register you already use? GoDaddy, BigRock. I used to use BigRock. Bluehost. Do you know what is the world's greatest domain company? GoDaddy controls 70% of the domain name in the world. Okay. So I have a friend in a company called Akamai. That is a company that is created CDN, invented CDN, Content Delivery Network. Okay. They will profile all domain name providers. Google domains. Google is not a domain name provider. Okay. They will profile all domain name providers. Okay. This Bluehost, this Rediff, they'll check for the downtime. You know which domain name, which service provider has shortest domain name, shortest downtime? It is GoDaddy. Remember, we are not building a website. We are building a foundation for your business. Okay, we cannot afford even a 1 millisecond of downtime. So this is the provider that has highest uptime, not even Google. So that's why I suggest GoDaddy. And there are many other sub-services GoDaddy provides. Okay, even if some countries has war, even if something happens, this will work. Okay, they're established all over the world. So that's why I suggest GoDaddy, because this is the world's greatest domain service provider. Okay. Why cloud hosting is the future? I told you the domain. What is the hosting? What is the greatest hosting provider? Which hosting do you use? Can you please type? HostGator, Bluehost. Bluehost is very famous nowadays. Ankur, congratulations, you are already using AWS. Why I suggest AWS is cloud hosting is the future. When I started using AWS 7 or 8 years back, it used to be $750. Do you remember? Only big companies can be able to afford it. But now it becomes surprisingly affordable to a common man. Okay. AWS becomes surprisingly affordable. It used to be free for 1 year. Now they made it as 3 months. So that's why I suggest AWS. If you use AWS, you can be very sure that your website is running on the same technology Amazon is running. if you use cloud hosting, you can be very sure that your website is running on the same technology where Google is running. Okay. What is this? This is a hard disk. I can connect this hard disk here in this computer and I can run a hosting service from here. But will you believe me? And I'll give you whatever the Bluehost, right? Whatever you typed, how much you are paying for Bluehost. I'll give you at the half of that price. Will you pay me? It will not work, because what happens if there is a war in this country? What happens if there is an earthquake? All data will be lost. Your website will be down. Remember, we are building a foundation. So it is very important to choose AWS, because this is the base of the load time also affects. Okay, how fast the website loads, that is also important. So that's why I suggest AWS. Cloud hosting is the future. Okay, it becomes surprisingly affordable. Everyone can afford this cloud hosting, and I am going to tell you how easy it is to create a cloud hosting today live. So choose AWS because your website will be running from the same technology that Amazon is running. Okay, there are only 3 cloud companies. There are many, but Google, Amazon, and what is one more? I forgot. Okay, these are the companies that has data. They control 50 to 60% of this big apps. Okay, forget the small apps. This Zomato, whatever the big apps that are using, they are using cloud hosting. They are using their infrastructure. Even the Bluehost, the HostGator, the companies that you are using, at the back end, they use this infrastructure. They will use their infrastructure to the hosting companies so they can build. So we are going to get directly from AWS. That's all for today. I took too much time today. So can we go ahead and create the online solid online foundation now? Type Y. I'm going to do it live. If you have any questions, please don't ask in between. Okay, I will take your questions till 8:30. Okay, I'll finish in just 10 minutes. Okay, I will share this link, core success link. Everyone has your own core success link, right? I will share mine. You can use this for now. Okay, open this. You will get. I will share this thing. Okay, I forgot one thing. You know how support works. Okay, now I'll do it live. Okay, I'll take questions at the end, and you will not do it live with me. You can do it later after the session. After the session, if you have any questions, you can always use WhatsApp group. Okay, in the WhatsApp group, you can ask all your questions in the video format. If you are stuck somewhere, take your phone and record a video. You don't even have to ask the question. If you record a video and send that video, I'll understand what is the question. I can give you the 100% right answer. If you type the question will get lost in the translation. Then I cannot give you the right answer. If you cannot record a video, take a photo of the error message that you are seeing and send it in the group. I could be able to give you the right answer. This is how the support works. You don't have to complete the access within today. You have till 8 p.m. till 7:30 tomorrow. Okay, till 7:30. If you do this exercise, if you have any questions, send it in the WhatsApp group. Okay, I will be here to help you. I will answer every single question of you. Okay, so this is how the support works. Okay, I'll share the screen. Yeah, the screen is clear. I think the camera, where is it? Yeah, if you open the core success link, you will see this. Okay. You will see this. Okay. Today you are going to do exercise 1.1. It is 3 minutes, and in the exercise 1.2, it is 10 minutes. If you complete these two, this exercise is complete. And I'm going to do this live. Okay, I told many rules, right? First, you will check the domain history, the fifth button. Okay. Okay. First, you click on the fifth button, check domain history, and go here, type the domain name that you have in mind. Jagan KRISH.com. See, I registered the domain name only on 2021. Okay, but it has been in use from 2017. You go click here. Okay, scroll down and click here, February. If you click here, you will see a screenshot here. Okay, here you check what are all it is done in the domain name for the last 10 years. They have data from 2000. Okay, from the beginning of time. You check what are all done in this domain name for the last 10 years. And if you see any gambling content, adult content, any illegal content, please don't register the domain name. Okay, it will not work. No matter how much money you pour into that domain, it will not work. Okay, this is the right way. Okay, check the domain history first. Then check the domain transparency report by Google. Click on the sixth button. This is very, very important, because if your domain is blacklisted by Google, you cannot advertise on Google. And Google is the main source of the traffic. Okay, click on Jagan KRISH. You type the domain name properly. Okay, the domain name that you have in mind. You will see no results here. It means it is not blacklisted by Google. Okay, if you see any result, okay, here, see, these are the domains that is blacklisted by Google. Okay, so there are 3 more organizations that are reporting. Okay, if you find a result here, please don't register the domain name. That will not work. 100%, I guarantee. Okay, so after you do this, you have to click on first button, GoDaddy. You have to choose the domain name. Okay, type the domain name that you have in your mind. Okay, I'll just type Jagan KRISH. Okay, I'll type LMF workshop. I'll take that question. Okay, LMF workshop. If you type this, you see LMF workshop is available. Okay, it is coming in dollars. Maybe I don't know. You will find it for as cheap as 160 rupees. I don't know why it is coming in dollars. Okay, see, .com is available. You scroll down. Can you see anywhere .io? See, promoted. This is really a great domain name, but it is costly. It is 4,000 rupees, but it's okay. See, choose if you want to just complete this workshop at the cheapest price, register any domain name that shows 0.01 just for the completing this workshop. Okay, so after this, you have to click on add to cart. I cannot register domain name for you. Click on continue to cart. I'm going to show a video. Okay, how you create a new domain account. Okay, this video I'll show you right now. Especially if you don't have a GoDaddy account, you have to go through this process. After you click on GoDaddy, when you click search on LMF workshop, when you search for the workshop, you have to click on add to cart. See, there are only 150 rupees. You see here, right? You can just use this domain name, 154 rupees, and you have to choose 1 year. If you choose 2 years, it will be high. Choose 1 year for now, just for completing this workshop. And click on continue with email. I request you to create a new email. Okay, we are building a solid foundation. Don't use any old emails that you have. There is a reason why I say this. Create a new Gmail address and use that email address here. Okay, I create a new email address just for this account, and choose a strong password. Once you choose a strong password, you will see this. Okay, you don't need a domain protection. Okay, click on no thanks. We are not doing any illegal business. We are not doing any gambling. Please click on no thanks. But it's again, it's your wish. If you want the domain protection, you can go ahead. Okay, and please uncheck this box. Okay, don't check this box. If this box is checked, they will by default add some records that is creating delays. Okay, we know that world's best domain company is GoDaddy, but the world's best hosting company is not GoDaddy. Okay, that is AWS. We are going to use AWS. If you check this box, you cannot use AWS. That will delay the process. Please uncheck this box. Okay, and this professional email you don't want right now. Click on no thanks. Click on continue to cart. Now you will find this. You will see 154 rupees. Click on I'm ready to pay. You can pay using credit card. GoDaddy supports even UPI. Okay, you can pay using debit card. Give the right address. Give the right address here. And see net banking UPI. Once you do this, once you complete the payment, you will find this screen. Okay, I'll tell you how to go to the screen. Okay, if you go to GoDaddy, see, this is very, very important because this keeps on changing every single week. I don't know why. After logging in with your username, newly created username and password, here in the Jagan, okay, click on my product. You will see the domain name like this. Okay, this page is important. Here you will see something like DNS. You have to click on this DNS. Okay, we need this page. Okay, now when this page is opened, your domain is created properly. Now we are going to create the hosting account. Exercise 1.2. I'm going to do this. You have to go to AWS. Second button. You have to create an AWS account. In this page, click on get started with license. I cannot create a new AWS account. I already have. Okay. So if you have go to AWS, if you follow this process, you can create an AWS account, and I'm going to show that to you using this video. How to create an AWS account? Go to this second button. You will find 3 months free. Click on complete sign up, something here. And here you have to create new AWS account. Scroll down. Okay. Only the creation process I am showing in recording, then I'm going to do it live. Use the same email address that you used for the domain name. Okay, e-birthday invite. I created a new domain name, new email, right? Use the same email address. Okay, the AWS account name is the domain name, LMF workshop. This is just for the naming purpose. You can give anything, but I suggest to give the domain name. Click on verify email address. Then they will send an email code for your email address. Once you put it, they'll ask for the password. Please use a strong password. Go to the password manager. Create a strong password. Click on continue. And this step they will ask for your address. Click personal for now. Give your address and click on continue. Here, if you give the debit card, it is not working. Okay, you can always try a debit card. If you give a credit card, it will just work. Okay, it should be international debit card. You have the recording. Okay, I understand that I'm going to do fast. I already took too much time. So this is just a recording. Okay, so you can watch this recording many times and you can do it. Okay, so give a credit card, debit card number. They will just charge 2 rupees on your credit card. Okay, only 2 rupees they will charge. So the total of 154 plus 2 rupees, 156 rupees we will spend. Then they will confirm your mobile number. Confirm your mobile number. Sorry. Then please click basic support here. Okay. So this is developer. Please click on basic support. Don't change anything. Click on complete sign up. Yes. Once you see this complete sign up, your AWS account is created. Now I am going to do this live. Okay. From here, what you have to do is click on third button. Open Lightsail Create. Okay. Don't change anything. Click on Linux. Click on WordPress. Don't change anything. Here, this is 3 months free. Okay. I suggest you to click this $5 instance. Okay. Click this. Here, type LMF work. Okay. Your domain name here. Okay. Click on create instance. It will create that instance. I already have mine. It will just take few seconds. Okay. So far it is clear. Type C. See, it is created. Okay. For 1 GB RAM, it is created. I want you to click this LMF work. Go to networking. There is something called create static IP. Click on create static IP. Name your static IP, LMF work. It's just for naming purposes. Okay. Anything that you can. Okay. Name your static IP. Attach to an instance LMF work. Click on create. Okay. It's already there. Now you see this IP address, right? 43.204. You have to copy this address. You have to come to the GoDaddy DNS management. This page we came here, right? You have to come to this page. You have to click on add. Okay. You have to choose A. Type at. Okay. Paste this value from AWS. Choose half an hour. Click on add record. Then this will get added. Okay. Then once again you have to click on add, type star and put that IP address. Type half an hour. Okay. You have to choose A. When you just click on add record. Once you do this, you will find 2 A records. This is very, very important. If you find any other A record, please delete it. Okay, you will find a delete option. Please delete it. This is very, very important. If you don't do this properly, it will not work. Okay, can you please type clear? You have to find only 2 A's here. Okay, here, please don't touch any other record. Only 2 A's you will add the IP address you got from AWS. Type C. Okay, once you do this, if you go to the domain name that you have registered, jagankrish.com. Sorry, LMF workshop. You will see this black sparrow. Okay. Once you see this, today's exercise is complete. You take a screenshot of this photo and send it in the group. That's all. Okay. I'm going to show you the exercise. Okay. Take a screenshot of this black sparrow and send it in the group, in the WhatsApp group. Okay. Once you see, after you, the reason why I do this today live is, after you complete this, you have to wait for 1 or 2 hours for your domain to propagate throughout the world. Okay. Click on 7, DNS propagation checker tool. Type this LMF workshop. Type your domain name. How do you know it has been propagated throughout the world? LMF workshop live. Type your domain name, choose A, click on search. You will see all tick marks here, and you will see the IP address that we created on AWS. Once you see all tick marks here with the right IP address that is from AWS, you can go to your website. It will just work. Okay, you will find this. Okay, that's all for the exercise. That's all for today, the exercise. And you will find the recording here. Today's recording, you will find it here. Okay, I'll stop screen sharing and I'll take questions. So why do you think I asked you as a business person to join today? I'll take questions now. Do you think today's exercise is tough or easy? It is just 13 minutes. You have to spend. I know I went fast because I started late, 10 minutes late. Because you have to choose the right domain name. If you choose a domain name that has criminal past records, it will not work, no matter how much money you pour into that. Okay. Any questions? Please type your questions. Any questions on today's session?
Sir, very fast, sir. Can't able to.
Yes. You can. I am going to send the recording.
Yeah.
You don't see. You have this right. Exercise 1.1 and 1.2. If you go through this,
Okay,
you can
sir.
do it easily.
Yeah.
Only 10 and 3 minutes.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. You don't have to do it with me. Okay. It is not possible. I know.
Yeah.
What you have to know, you as a business person, you should know is you have to choose that domain name properly.
Yeah.
That's why there are tools. Okay. 5, 6, and 7. 7th button. Okay. Choose it properly. It should not contain. Okay. One important rule: do not use hyphen. The domain name should not start with numbers. Okay. As long as it has, some people has 3x rule. As long as that number has meaning. I have one person 10x photography, 10 mm photography or something, 70 mm photography.
Okay.
That doesn't have meaning. 70 mm is something if photographers only understand. Don't start with numbers. Don't use hyphen. Where we get the recordings in the LMF workshop, the core success page. In the core success page at the bottom, day 1 recording. I'll record it in 1 hour and send it in 1 hour. I'll take all the recording. Can I say no? That is Bluehost at the back end. They use this cloud infrastructure. Okay, they are just reselling it to you. Please use AWS. Only 3 months free. You can try it. Okay, if you don't like AWS, you can delete it. Okay, after 3 months, you can delete it. Can I stay on? How can I choose my domain name? Narendra Patel. What is your name? What is your? For what reason you have to? You are creating your website. I'll take the question. What is? Yeah, 1 minute. What is the use of Lightsail? That is cloud hosting. Lightsail is cloud hosting. Okay. Do we need to buy tomorrow? SSL certificate, do not, they charge 3,000 rupees per year. I said world's best domain company is GoDaddy. World's best hosting company is AWS. What is the world's best SSL company, security company? I'll tell that tomorrow. Okay, please join live tomorrow. If you have already have a same as famous name, should I change? Yes, 100%. Okay, it will not work. So, for example, if there is a name like Jagan Reddy, he is a CM, right? If I register domain name like Jagan Reddy, my name will not work. No matter who types it, only the CM will come. Okay, I'll mute all. Please don't mind. Where we get recordings, I already told. Can I use CNAME? That is too technical. Do saumitrachatterjee.com. Make it small. Try to make it small. Nobody, .net is not okay. Second level TLD. .com, .in, .io. I'm dealing with the screen printing links. Today printing khadi.in. Okay, khadi is okay. Is paper, right? In Hindi. Printing khadi.in. Make it in English. Okay, you are going to do business only in India. Printing khadi.in is great. But if you think global, okay, today your business is in India. It is not going to die in India. It can go global tomorrow. Think long term. Sir, I have a domain name which is registered with GoDaddy and I have Bluehost hosting. Yes, okay, delete all the records and create these two. If you add these two A records, it will just start working with AWS. Yes, you can just create a new domain name like co.in. You can just create it, okay, and 150 rupees you can just complete it. After 3 months, AWS is payable. Yes, $5 per month or $3.5 per month. Okay, if $3.5 per month is $35, $35 is 3,000 per year. AWS is light sale. Okay, that is just brand name. It is AWS, Amazon Web Services. Can I take domain name related to my niche? Yes, 100%. Shall I keep my academy name as it is? 100%. Okay, if you have a trademark for this name, if you are having a business that is registered name, please use that name. Okay, if your business is already registered, please use that name that has a physical address. If you have a shop physically sitting somewhere in this world, please use that name. Okay. New mind CPC. CPC means cost per conversion. That's what I think. Okay, what is it? I bought different domains. What is the yearly investment? $35. Okay, 3,000 rupees. Yes, registered. Thank you. What about storage for 3 months? See, you don't don't focus on the storage. Okay, that and all. You have 40 GB storage for $3.5. You are not going to use more than 1 GB. 100%. No, if you have a content delivery, something user created, upload content, only then it will go more than 1 GB. Else it will just not go. Don't worry about the storage. What about storage for 3 months? For $3.5, they are giving 20 GB storage, and all information are available. When you create, you will find all this. What do you suggest for e-commerce website? It depends on you need to have a minimum of $20 instance. Depends on the traffic that it is going to get. Okay. New Minds Counseling and Psychology Center. So New Minds. Okay. I'll suggest on the WhatsApp. Okay. New Minds. Before you take a decision on the domain name, please send it in the WhatsApp. I'll be able to future proof the domain name. Okay. But before sending in the WhatsApp, you have to go and check this background check. Okay. 3 and 4, right? Buttons of 5, 6. Check 5 and 6. I will not do that work for you. You have to do that. Sir, I'm a photographer. I have photos and videos to upload my website, which is this 100% AWS. Nothing can provide you as close. See, many people are using Bluehost. So I did profiling between Bluehost and AWS. You know where Bluehost wins? Bluehost wins only in the customer support. Everything else AWS wins. Okay. For the same money, you will get twice the amount of service, twice the amount of support in speed in AWS. Speed. Okay. For Bluehost, you will, if your website loads in 1 second, for example, I'll tell you, if your website loads in 5 seconds, for the same money, if you use AWS, it loads in 2.5 seconds. If you use Bluehost, it loads in 5 seconds. See, as long as you don't have much traffic coming in, it doesn't matter. $3.5 instance will just work fine for you. Okay. Any other questions? Okay. So now it's 8:30. The support, how it works is, you do this exercise. You will get this black sparrow. Once you get this black sparrow, take a photo with your domain name that you registered. Take a photo and send in the screenshot. Only then today's exercise is complete. After completing today's exercise, you have to allow this. They say that even if you call GoDaddy, they say that 24 hours or 48 hours. You have to allow this time. So register only today and do this exercise. Create the solid foundation. Okay. You know that once you complete this exercise, you have world's best domain name provider and world's best hosting provider. There is no power. I'll switch off some lights. Excuse me. Yeah. Should we register with our final domain name? I don't get that question, madam. Can we use your link or no? You will get the recordings for 7 days. Okay, there is an opportunity to get the recordings for the lifetime. I will present that in the final day. Can we edit the name after we purchase? No. No. You can purchase multiple names, but you cannot edit it after you purchase. Your website is already there running on AWS. Then please do it again. If you don't have GoDaddy and if you don't have AWS, you will lose a lot of money on marketing. I'll be very open. You will lose hell lot of money on marketing. If your domain name is not on GoDaddy, if your domain name is not on AWS, you will lose so much of money on marketing. And I guarantee that, because many people already tried it. And if your load time is more than 5 seconds, you cannot market that website. Whatever that we are creating is the foundation. If you do this, you can save so much of money on marketing. Okay. It is just 160 rupees. You can go ahead and try. Any other questions? If there is no questions, I'll just end up the session. Okay. We'll meet again tomorrow at 7:20. What is the world's greatest security company? You want to know the answer? Come tomorrow live. Okay. Yes, this is the in the frequently asked questions. If you in the frequently asked questions, there is a first question is this is what I answer. Okay, please go and watch that video. There is a reason why I recommend you this GoDaddy and AWS. Okay, because the website we are building, we are going to get results. It is just not for the status. As long as we are creating an asset here, people who have L, we are creating an asset here. Who type liability? I have a domain name in HostEngine. No. Okay, please. There is no questions. People, you can leave the meeting. I will take questions for 2 more minutes because I started late, right? 7:35. It is 8:35. It's already done. I'll take questions for 5 more minutes. Okay, there is no questions. Please come 10 minutes earlier tomorrow, 7:20, and ask all your questions. Okay, I'm here to answer. Okay, thank you so much. I'll end the session and you'll find the recording in the course access link. Okay, at the bottom after 1 hour. Okay, thank you so much.